guys, Ralph here. Welcome back to the Grandstand Adman TV game 3000 strip down. Right, I took one screw out. Right, dismantling. I'm guessing there's just 4 screws holding this in. I don't really feel like normal screws, to be honest. Kind of come out further than what they actually should. It was either over-engineering in the 70s or I don't know. They're the normal screw heads, screw backs, but yeah. I'm being intrigued to know why you've got 4 feet and 3 screws come out of 3 other feet, but one, oh no, it doesn't, but has this hole here. What's behind that couldn't? Oh, there's a good. Yeah, that's why it can't, because there's the cable there. But still, shouldn't they have been a bit more thoughtful on this? I don't know. Right, what's noticed as well, the AC 9 volts, fine. Yeah. But there's these 2 holes here of that kind of comes back a little bit. That is like it's sponge. A bit. I'm not even sure what this I'm gonna find in here. I'm gonna find that's the wrong screwdriver for it. Oh right, that don't want to come out. Thing about these type of screwdrivers that they bloody you crisp when you push hard enough. I need a new screwdriver head. Luckily, I have a jar full. Unluckily, none of them will fit. Right, let's rethink this one, and early enough, have a break. 1 second. Anyway, here's one I made earlier. Oh, that screw was so tight, it wouldn't come out. So a little one in there. Right. Oh, hello. That does come out quite easy. No clips. No thought of any clips back then, I assume. Okay. Right. Where do I start? You've got circuit board. That's for God knows what. These just seem like they're really crittered up. Call the diodes. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But there's a layer of green on the thing. Let me show you. The switch there. Why is that? I'll assume that's meant to be green on the switch. There's no loose wires from the from here. Oh, you dozy arse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh God. Realization is a wonderful thing. I want to pause because I'm yeah. There's a positive. I just powered up from 2 negatives. Right, I'm gonna try this again. Pausing, and I'll try and see if I can tune this in using that as a positive, because that is a bloody positive. Right. 1 second. Right guys, I've got this thing wired up properly. The brown, which is for this purpose, is a negative, and the blue, lovely sound that, is wired up inside here for the positive. So what I'm going to do, because this is probably the first time I've been powered up this way for quite a while, is take it from the mount. Currently screwing in. Tuning in as we speak. And this is switched. Oop. Nope, no. This is switched on. I'm in tennis mode, reset. As I remember it. Come on. I've got the cable for it here from the start, which goes into the TV. If this works, transformer is switched on. Bloody light. Transformer switched on, 9 volts. If this works, then this is just a cleanup video. If it's not, then I'm an idiot, and it's just more than we bargained for on this. And I do need to get another mount for up here. Look down over here. Might be a good idea. Let me get there to there. I'm going to look at my ugly head. I don't think that's found it at all, has it? Maybe I'm an idiot, but it's not really found it. So going 750 megahertz. This is switched on. A minute, I'm just waiting for it to carry on, to finish its tuning in. I'm trying to find an extra mounting point now. That's not worked. I think this thing could be dead. Right, put you back up there. Screw back into the mount. Right. There really is. I always thought with this sort of tech, this is from not the Pong era, but it was a copy from the Pong era, which was early 70s, but I'm sure it was like 79 or something. I can smell something now. And that's on there okay. There's no way of testing this without it actually. What's the RF tuners wrong? Because that's from there, which has come out from there. Actually, my thought of there was a flap there is just a piece of cloth stuck to the back for a possible expansion port. No. No. It's sophisticated crap this, but I've definitely got power coming in. Finally, yeah, we've the 9 volts. Get that in the camera so you can see that. It's giving it 9 volts there. It also goes to there. That's really 9 volts. Why doesn't that go anywhere? Okay, maybe this is a learning process for me as well as you on this one. Okay, so the rebirth video is off for the time being. Right, I need to dig into this one for a little bit and see what I can find. But that's, sorry, couldn't get that one working. Part 2 done. Like, subscribe. If not, dislike. Don't subscribe. Hooray! Don't share. Don't bother commenting. Hooray! And if you want, I'll pay you on Patreon. Yes. But yeah, I need to have a new think of this one. And the possibility that the battery leak has got more terminal than we think. Okay, let's have a look into this one. I'll get back to another video. Thank you.